How to recover deleted YouTube videos. So if you want to recover deleted YouTube videos, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your YouTube and you need to go with the upper right, which has that profile option. And under your profile, you need to go with your channel, or you can go with your YouTube studio. Under your studio, you will have your contents or your videos right here. So if you've deleted something, unfortunately, then what you need to do is you can just simply go with the left side, which will have a trash icon. Or if you don't have the trash icon, you can also go with your settings. And under your settings, you may have your trash icon. And from the trash, you'll be able to recover that video. But if you've deleted it permanently, like for example, if you're trying to delete this video, then it says delete forever. Now, if you've deleted forever, then you won't be able to recover it. But if you've deleted temporarily, then you may have a trash icon and then you can recover it. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.